Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of Linux as we guide you through the installation of the latest Ubuntu desktop, version 23.10, using VirtualBox. So, let's get started. Step 1. Downloading the Ubuntu ISO image. Open your Firefox browser and head over to the official Ubuntu website. Once you're on the site, navigate to the Download section and grab the latest Ubuntu Desktop 23.10 ISO image. Now that we have our ISO image, let's move on to Step 2, setting up VirtualBox for Ubuntu. Open VirtualBox and create a new virtual machine. Set it up with 2 processors, 2 GB of RAM, attach the CD-ROM to the downloaded ISO image, and allocate a 30 GB virtual hard disk. Once you've configured everything, hit Start, and the installation process will begin. Follow the on-screen instructions. Please follow the on-screen instructions. Step 3. Post-installation configurations. After the installation is complete, shut down the virtual machine, remove the CD-ROM image if it's still attached, and adjust the configuration parameters as needed. Remove the CD-ROM, tweak any settings, and restart the virtual machine. Now, let's move on to Step 4, configuring and updating the system. Log into your new Ubuntu system. Once you're in, open a terminal and enter the following commands. sudo apt-get update y and sudo apt-get upgrade y. After the update is complete, reboot the system. Step 5. Checking your newly installed system. Your Ubuntu 23.10 installation is now complete and up to date. It's ready for you to explore and use. Thank you for joining us today on this Ubuntu installation journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Linux-related content. Have a great day, and bye for now.